I've been exploring the Klarna mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Klarna mobile app. First, let's talk about what Klarna actually offers. Klarna is a flexible shopping and payments app that lets you buy from almost any store, split purchases into 4 interest-free payments, pay in 30 days, or finance them over time, all from one place. It also ties in with the Klarna card, supports Apple Pay for splitting costs online, and even throws in up to 10% cashback at selected retailers, which can be a real perk if you shop frequently. On top of that, you can track deliveries, report returns so payments are paused, and reach support via in-app chat, which keeps everything fairly streamlined. Now, in terms of interface, the app focuses on a clean, shopping-first layout where you can search products, compare prices across stores, and see upcoming payments and orders in a single, organized dashboard. It's designed so that managing your installments, cashback, and order tracking feels more like browsing a shop than dealing with a bank, which many people will find approachable. Of course, there are some downsides. Because Klarna is essentially extending short-term credit, spending limits can change and approvals can feel unpredictable, which some longtime users find frustrating when purchases suddenly get declined or limits are reduced after periods of low activity. The focus on encouraging shopping, combined with how easy it is to split payments, can also make it tempting to overspend if you are not careful about your budget. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.